Oh, we're on video here.
Oh, I didn't know that.
What gate?
Is that MPG?
Oh, uh-oh.
Oh. What are we doing first?
We're going to get everything started, warmed up. And then we're gonna knock out those 2 cords. Go get that delivered and then come back and clean up, put stuff away. It's warmer to this morning.
Yeah, beautiful.
So it's 21 instead of 16. No, I was talking to you. This whole talking to the phone thing is awkward. Oil pressure in that has been quite a bit higher this week. When we do the oil change, even though it's going to be winter time for the next 500 hours or whatever, I think we'll put we'll do the synthetic, but we'll do the is it the 1540? Yeah, we'll do that this time instead of the 5. To pull up on it. Is it frozen? No way. Here, hold that. That thing's like 20 feet long. Who knows where it goes? Probably frozen in the cab because it gets warmer. No, leave that off. That warm up first. Oh, I see what you're doing. Never mind. You have to turn that on high. You jump up there. For what? For that? Did you have to spray it? Really? No? That'll start. Last night after the video there, I got another call for another 2 cords to be delivered today, so we'll be doing that first thing this morning, and then we're gonna get ready for the storm. hooking up the heater. We got a jerry rig. We never had heat in that payloader either. I think yesterday afternoon while I was out on delivery, I think Dad got heat working in that thing, which will be nice. We're gonna put the 2-cord in this 4-cord truck. Where we gotta go dump that truck will handle where we gotta dump it better. All right. Everything's running and warming up. The throttle cable on the processor's frozen. Hopefully once it gets some heat in the cab, that'll unthaw that. But that's how it goes, northern Maine. Yesterday also, I didn't video it, the chain broke on this conveyor, which happens more often than I want to admit. But we had that to fix yesterday. Also, another thing that happens quite often, when you're running that small stuff, it doesn't get caught through the cleaner. It'll get caught underneath the bars and throw that chain right there off the cog. Sometimes that happens 3 or 4 times a day. Sometimes it doesn't happen for 3 days. It all depends on what size wood you're doing. But luckily it's only like a 30-second fix, so I've done it enough now that it's not too bad. I do have a couple new pieces of equipment that should be showing up mid-January. They are Easton made pieces of equipment. I'm excited about that. What? You getting the heat working in here or what?
No, I'm trying to get the air conditioner to work.
Yeah. Oh, we'll get you guys set up once we're ready to start rolling. Is it full?
Yeah.
Okay. Dad's gonna go deliver this. I'm gonna move these trucks out of the way. I knew the one thing I hate doing, the worst job in the wood yard, is cleaning out underneath this processor. But it's gotta be done. Hey guys. Oh man. I just finished cleaning underneath the processor. Probably one of the only jobs I dread. There's a lot of stuff under there. There's a few rounds in there at the tail end of the log that gets kicked out. But I'll show you. It's pretty good. I'll get in the tractor and I'll push the stuff over here. This is the cleaner. That'll get cleaned out today too. As Russ said when Russ was up here interviewing me, there's a lot of kindling in this. There's money sitting there. But for what I'm using it for right now, it's worth more to me than it is to take the time to pick that out and bag it up. We'll push all this over, push it over there. There's some more that's got some snow under it, and then we'll load it up in the truck and go dump it. The battery's dead on this truck. We're gonna boost it. Hey guys, it's about 2:30 in the afternoon. We're getting rid of the chaff, or as Willie Firewood calls it, kindling. We'll get this stuff loaded up and go dump it. So that's going to be it for today. We got quite a bit of stuff done. We're pretty much ready for the snow now. I got a few more things I'm going to do later on this afternoon. Dad's got to go home and get his snowblower attached to his tractor. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Don't forget to count your blessings. Be grateful and give thanks. See you on the next one.